Guys, I'm Anurag Gupta from IT Roorkee, and we would be continuing discussing our top interview 150 series of questions on Leetcode. And our today's question is remove nth node from end of list. So let's go to this question and see what it states. So this question is a medium level question, and it states that given the head of a linked list, remove the nth node from the end of the list and return its head. So example number one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This linked list is given to us, and n is given as 2. So we have to count second node from the end. So first node and second node. This is the second node, and we have to remove this node. What it means to remove a node? It means that the previous node which is pointing to it, that node now should point to its next pointer. So 3 points to 5, and we can say that 4 is removed from our linked list. In example number 2, head is given as 1, so there is just one node, and we have to remove that node. So we will be left with a empty linked list. So we have to just return null in this case. And in third example 1 and 2, this is the linked list given to us, and n is given as 1, so we'll just remove this first node from the end, and we will directly return this output as 1. Constants are given as the number of nodes in the list is sz, and sz can vary from 1 to 30. So total number of nodes in the list can vary from 1 to 30, and node dot value can vary from 0 to 100. So each node can have a value of 0 to 100. So as these are having 3, 4, 5, and the total number of nodes can vary from 1 to 30, and n can vary from 1 to sg. So this n, this would vary, like if suppose the total size of the linked list given to us 10, the n can vary from 1 to 10. So it will always be less than sg and greater than or equals to 1. Follow up, could you do this in one pass? So we'll try to do this in one pass only. So in order to solve it, what we'll do is we will define two pointers. Both of them would be pointing to the starting node of the linked list in the starting. And suppose n is given as 2, so we'll move one of our pointer 2 times. So our first pointer will be pointing here, and our second pointer was pointing here, and then we will move both of these pointers simultaneously until this first pointer next is equals to null. So in the next step, the first pointer would move here and second pointer would move here. In the next step, first pointer would move here and second pointer would move here. So here first pointer next is equals to null, so we'll stop here. And for second pointer, we will assign the value of its next as this node next would be assigned as node next. We'll see in the code how we are going to implement it. This is the basic idea. Let's go to the code and see how we are going to implement it. So this is the function which we have to implement: list node star remove nth node from end. These are the two parameters which are passed to us in the function list node star head and int n. We are defining these two list nodes, answer equals to head and head2 is equals to head. Now we are moving our head2 pointer n times. So we are running this loop while n minus minus is greater than 0, then head2 is equals to head2 next. Now we'll check if head2 is equals to null. In this case, it means that we have to remove the first node of our linked list. So we'll just directly return answer next in this case. So we'll return the pointer to our second linked list. So in this example, if we see, if we have to remove this node, then we'll just return answer as this node. Else we'll keep on moving head and head2 to the next pointers until head2 next becomes null. And when it happens, then we'll update the value of head next as head next. So for 3 next value would be set as 3 next. So 3 next value would be set as 5, and then we will finally return our answer. Answer was pointing to head, so head would be written in this case. So this is the code. Let's try to run it and see whether it's working fine. So head is getting accepted here. Let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, this solution is accepted. So this solution is working fine. I will attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this problem link and problem description in the description of the video. So like this video and follow my and subscribe to my channel for more such top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode. Thanks and have a nice day.